FIR to be registered under the SC/ST Act. Now, what has happened, my lord? Kindly sees after my lord your lordship had directed this has happened, my lord. May I just read the contents? আমার বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে সাচ এন্ড সাচের পাশে চায়ের পানের দোকান আছে, গত ইংরেজি 19/3/2025 তারিখ বিকাল আনুমানিক 5টা 5:30 নাগাদ আমাদের এলাকার আউরাই গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের উপপ্রধান মাননীয় পিন্টু গিরি ও পঞ্চায়েত সদস্য শৈলেশ জানা সহ নামালডিয়া ও ছনবরা এলাকার তাদের কিছু অনুগামী নাম ঝন্টু ও সাচানসাদ আমাদের দোকানে হাজির হয়। সেই সময় আমার দোকানে খদ্দের ছিল, তারা আমাকে দোকানে উপস্থিত খদ্দেরদের বলে যে কিছুক্ষণ পরে এসডিও সাহেব সহ কাঁথি থানার পুলিশ অফিসাররা আসবেন, উনাদের সামনে বলতে হবে 28/8/2024 তারিখে বিজেপির ডাকা সাধারণ ধর্মঘটের দিন এখানকার চন্দন শীটের দোকান খোলা নিয়ে সামান্য বচসা ঠেলাঠেলি ছাড়া কোনো গন্ডগোল মারপিট হয়নি বা কেউ তার জাতপাত নিয়ে কোনো গালাগাল দেয়নি এবং চন্দন শীটকে গ্রাম্যভাবে বয়কট করা হয়েছিল। এই সব কথা বলা যাবে না। বারে বারে আমাকে ভয় ও ধমক দিয়ে এই কথাগুলো
Where is this over here?
Now, well, this has happened within after your lordship had directed the SDP.
So whatever the case has been registered under the Act.
Not under that Act, my lord. The other
No.
charges has been framed, my lord. Because with respect to that particular complaint, whether under the
My lord, the SDPO coming with the local Upo Pradhan, my lord, kindly sees.
So that they have administrative. I am not going to interfere. I am going to see what.
and with regard to this complaint, my lord, my SDPO he is not aware of this till now.
Where is your initial complaint, sir? Where is the prosecution?
What I have been just now taking the instruction, my lord, there was only hot altercations.
That's merits of the fact. You have come to a finding and offense has been made. Be it cognigible, be it non-cognigible. It's non-cognigible according to you. Very good. What procedure are we going to follow now?
Well, the prosecution has already been submitted. They are saying that now he is doing his business and no problem is
No, that is one part, sir. You have got to adhere to the provisions of law. Are you going to treat this as a complaint case? What are you going to do? Has cognizance been taken on this? সোজাভাবে মামলা করবে না, গন্ডগোল পাকিয়ে দেবে, তারপরে কোর্টে আসবে, হাইকোর্টে। You understand the difficulty now? Why problems sustain in areas? You're not adhering to the laws. There are two ways. Either you file a formal FIR in non-cognigible offense after getting permission from the magistrate. You complete the investigation according to law. File charge sheet because once the permission is granted. You do in this manner, then this will be treated as a complaint case. Mr. Rahul, I'm telling you one thing. If police officers go like this, diluting the case, there is no case. Under the CRPC, I'm telling you, the accused will come before the High Court, it will be quashed. This is totally, this is 2D complaint, basically. The person could have himself gone to the court under 323 with the medical report. Why is police assistance required, sir? What is the use of keeping police authorities? Ask him, this is a he is proceeding as this police report will be treated as a complaint. And you see the definition of complaint, a report of the police is not to be treated as a complaint. See the basic definition of complaint under the BNSS or the CRPC. There's a question you will get in the law examinations also. What is a complaint?
May I submit on a
একটা জায়গায় ধরেছি একটু wait for. So far as that is concerned.
Kindly consider an allegation was made under the SC/ST Act. Your lordship in the matter.
There's a second part. I'll come to that. Second part. I'll come to that. Let him say he has done this thing. What is the fate of this thing being done? Some exercises have been done by the police authorities by using the government and stationaries. What is the fate of this?
According to them, this prosecution, they will be bound down. That is their end of the road. What they say.
I don't understand. An offense has been made out, so a trial is required. I'm just seeking advice that under which provision of law the trial will proceed. You don't say no offense has been made out. You say some offense is made out. That's a non-cog according. Let me accept you. You are correct in every respect. What will the court do? Declare the persons convicted. Tell me.
Dependent on the summon of the court, that the court will summon them. And
And how will the court proceed now?
শেষই করে দিলেন
এটা কবে সাবমিটেড হয়েছে? 28/9/2024.
before.
Today we are on month of March. Cognizance has been taken or not?
That they don't have
This
the
is
information.
difficulty, sir. You won't be able to keep law and order like this, sir. It would have been easier if they sought permission
Yes,
for
that would have been
registration of
much
FIR and
easier.
non-cognizable offences.
By this time, it could have been
You could have controlled the persons concerned, sir.
at least an investigation to have.
Some you would have control over the persons. See, there is some problem. You can't say
That is admittedly what the report also says. So
complainant will exaggerate, state accused will say I'm innocent. This is where you have got to move. The average in criminal case everywhere.
with respect to the present status, my lord, let us come back, my lord, some time be given. So that they may also
Next,
come back
ask him
with
to
the-
now. Let's come to the complaint which was filed, sir. That's at page 20, your
Yes,
complaint.
page 20.
the 20.
Page 20.
Hmm.
Annex C.
Something different, but every threshold is completely different. When you start the case, you need not think that there will be a conviction.
My lord, let him go to the SDPO himself and whatever statement he wants to make, let him
Let him
mistake,
make
my lord, they
work on that, give it, sir.
In that
certainly,
premise,
my lord,
I
that
would
I'll,
agree.
my lord.
Because after your lordship on the last occasion had passed an order, the SDPO along with the leaders of the ruling dispensation, they had been coming and threatening and lodged a complaint to that effect. If your lordship is not satisfied with my submission, your lordship would call for the call records of those persons. What an Upapradhan or a Panchayat member has to do with a law and order situation of a particular place?
Oh, that is gone now. So forget
No,
that.
that is
I'm
the
giving- I'm
pressure
very-
threatening.
That whatever is there, outcome is there. I have given my mind to him. Take care, sir. Ask your officer. Otherwise, don't
Particular
force.
email ID or something.
No, no,
given so that a notice will be given. He will come up and give his
He
statement.
will go to the office of the SDPO
Very well.
and
Very
he will record the statement. Ask him who were the persons present over there. Record their
Absolutely.
statements. Come to a
Absolutely.
conclusion.
According to a procedure, yes, it will
As
has to
simple
be-
as that.
My lord, only the date and time be fixed, my lord, so that I'll
Your
start
lordship
here and now.
directs a
he
date
will
and
be
time,
there.
my lord. That would
Yes. We also want let it be.
When is he available? SDPO at his office?
Okay. Tomorrow you will present. Own
Pro-
time. বলুন।
Yes.
Just go there. Do something, sir. This way you won't be able to keep law and order, sir. Things are becoming difficult. You don't know what will be the fate of what you are doing. Is this accepted from a superior officer?
My lord, this is not something that the police cannot do. They are not doing. My lord.
I'm
What
not-
I'm saying, your lordship on the first occasion directed them to register an FIR. State assured that was recorded. My lord, kindly sees the attitude of the police. The
No,
SDPO is trying
not
tooth
an
and nail.
FIR directly. Don't.
They are trying tooth and nail to
was
protect
not-
this person.
No.
The
We have.
SDPO himself, he is keeping his job at stake to protect this
Yeah, all
person.
right. We'll see, sir. You have come to a court of
Yes,
law.
yes, my lord, kindly.
Have faith on the
My-
court of
my
law.
lord,
We'll do.
I'll-
आज हम